If you're playing Valorant on a low-end PC and your FPS constantly drops, stutters, or feels inconsistent, or even if you've got a decent setup but still want every extra frame you can get, this video is exactly what you need. I'm going to walk you through the most effective ways to boost your FPS, reduce input delay, and make Valorant run buttery smooth on any Windows 10 system. We'll go step by step, covering both in-game settings and system optimizations that actually work. No fake boosters, no useless tweaks, just real changes that improve your performance instantly. Before doing any kind of tweaks or optimizations, the very first thing you should always do is create a restore point. This step is super important, and a lot of people skip it. But if something goes wrong or you simply don't like the results of the changes you made, a restore point lets you instantly roll your system back to exactly how it was before. Think of it like a save file for your PC. To do this, go to your Windows search bar and type Create a Restore Point. Once the window opens, select your main drive, usually C, then click Create. Give it any name you want, something simple like Before Valorant Optimizations, and hit OK. Windows will take a quick snapshot of your system settings, which only takes a few seconds. That's it. Now you've got a safety net. No matter what you change later, you'll always have the option to go back to this exact setup if anything feels off or doesn't work the way you expected. Once that's done, you're ready to start optimizing with confidence.
Next, open up Valorant. Go to Settings, Video, Graphics Quality. At the top, enable multi-threaded rendering. This allows Valorant to use multiple CPU cores instead of one, which is crucial since the game is CPU heavy. Then set all your quality settings, material, texture, detail, and UI quality to low. These visuals don't affect gameplay, but can cost you valuable frames. Turn off Vignette, VSync, improve clarity, experimental sharpening, bloom, distortion, and cast shadows. Each of these adds visual effects that make the game look nicer but run slower. You don't need them for competitive play, and turning them off can easily gain you 20 to 40 extra FPS. Make sure you're running the game in full screen, not windowed or borderless. Full screen helps your PC dedicate all resources to the game and reduces input delay. If you're still struggling, lower your resolution or try a custom stretched resolution. This makes the game render fewer pixels, which instantly boosts FPS, a trick used in games like CS and Fortnite for years. If you use an Nvidia GPU, turn on Nvidia Reflex Low Latency and set it to On plus Boost. It reduces input delay and makes the game feel more responsive. It's a small change, but noticeable.
Now, open Task Manager by searching for it in the Windows bar. Go to the Details tab, scroll down to find Valorant.exe and Valorant-Win64-Shipping.exe. Right-click on both and set the priority to High. This tells Windows to give Valorant more CPU time over other programs.
Next, go to the Startup tab and disable any apps that don't need to launch when your PC starts. Background apps eat up memory and CPU resources, which directly lowers FPS. Personally, I only leave Vanguard enabled. On your desktop, click the little arrow on the bottom right of your taskbar and close anything you're not using. Discord overlays, RGB software, browsers, anything. Less clutter equals more FPS. Then, search Notifications in the Windows bar and turn them off completely. Nothing's worse than a pop-up during a clutch round. If you're on Windows 10, one of the easiest and most effective things you can do is disable background apps. A lot of people don't realize how many programs silently run in the background. Things like Mail, Weather, Xbox services, or random Windows tools you never actually use. These might seem harmless, but they constantly take up CPU power and memory, which means fewer resources for Valorant. To turn them off, Just go to your Windows search bar and type Background Apps. Once you open it, you'll see a list of everything that can run behind the scenes. You can either toggle them off one by one, or simply flip the master switch at the top that says Let Apps Run in the Background and set it to off.
Doing this will stop all those unnecessary processes from eating your performance in the background. It's a small change, but it can actually make your system feel noticeably faster, especially if you're playing on a low-end or older PC. Now, head back to your desktop, right-click anywhere on the screen, and select Personalize. From there, go to the Colors section on the left-hand side, and you'll see an option called Transparency Effects. Go ahead and turn that off.
What this does is stop Windows from adding those fancy see-through animations and blur effects you normally see in menus and taskbars. It might look nice, but these visual effects actually take up a bit of GPU and CPU power. And if you're already trying to squeeze every bit of performance out of your system, even small things like this make a difference.
It's one of those subtle tweaks that doesn't change how your PC functions, but helps free up a few extra resources for your game. Instead of wasting them on visuals you'll barely notice. Remember, when you're trying to boost FPS, every little bit counts, and turning off unnecessary effects is a simple win you shouldn't skip.
Next, search Graphics Settings and turn on Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. This feature allows your GPU to handle more of the workload instead of your CPU, especially helpful in CPU-heavy games like Valorant. Don't restart your PC yet. We'll do that at the end.
Below that, click Browse and add your Valorant install file, valorant.exe. Once it's added, click Options and set it to High Performance. Do the same for Riot Client Services. This ensures Valorant always uses your dedicated GPU instead of your integrated one. After that, choose a power plan and select High Performance. It uses a little more power, but your PC will prioritize performance instead of saving energy. Then open Advanced System Settings, Performance Settings, and choose Adjust for Best Performance. This disables fancy animations and visuals in Windows that slow things down slightly. Now press Windows plus R, type %temp% and hit Enter. This opens a folder full of temporary files. Delete everything inside. They're just leftover files that can safely be removed. Then search Disk Cleanup. Open it. Select your main drive, check all the boxes, and click Clean Up System Files. This can take a few minutes, but it clears up space and makes Windows more efficient. After that, search Defragment and Optimize Drives and run it on your main drive. It ensures your files are organized and your drive runs at full speed.
Next, open Nvidia app or AMD Radeon software, depending on your GPU, and update your drivers. Updated drivers can significantly boost performance in modern games and fix bugs you might not even know about.
Once that's done, right-click your desktop and open the Nvidia Control Panel, or AMD equivalent. Go to Manage 3D Settings and use these optimized settings. Image scaling, on, around 50%. Ambient occlusion, off. Anti-aliasing FXAA, off. Anti-aliasing gamma correction, on. Background application max frame rate, off. CUDA GPUs, all. DSR factors, off. Low latency mode, ultra. Max frame rate, off. Multi-frame sampled AA, off. Power management mode, prefer maximum performance. Preferred refresh rate, highest available. Shader cache size, unlimited. Texture filtering, anti-stropic sample optimization, on. Texture filtering, negative LOD bias, allow. Texture filtering, quality, high performance. Threaded optimization, on. Triple buffering, off.
vertical sync, VSync, off, virtual reality pre-rendered frames, 4.
Finally, go to Configure Surround PhysX on the left side and make sure your PhysX processor is set to your main graphics card. This ensures your GPU handles as much as possible instead of the CPU. Once everything's done, restart your PC to apply all changes. And that's it. After following these steps, you should notice a major improvement in FPS and smoother gameplay in Valorant. Even older systems can feel brand new with the right settings. If this helped you out, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments how much FPS you gained. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.